Ready? I like sticking big wieners in my mouth. Hollywood's got stars on the sidewalks and legends on the big screen. But for real Angelinos, the true stars have always been served right here, on a bun, smothered in chili. This isn't just a food stop, it's a red carpet of its own. Welcome to Pinks Hotdogs, a Hollywood icon since 1939. It all started with a simple pushcart and a 10-cent chili dog, serving Hollywood's hungry dreamers during the Great Depression. Just a family, a recipe, and a lot of determination. By 1946, their success was sizzling, and they built this very stand, the one that still stands today, glowing in that unmistakable pink and white. And yeah, the line's long, but so is the list of legends who've stood in it. It's said that Orson Welles once ordered 3 chili dogs in one sitting.
Well, you see, I'm fat and you're ugly, but I can diet.
Jay Leno called it one of his favorite spots. Even Martha Stewart, yes, that Martha Stewart, has her own Pinks hot dog on the menu. Yes, I'd like to get that Dodger special, the stretch order of onion rings, please. Thank you. So, today, I woke up, I was feeling good. My epidural has been moderately successful to the point where, sorry, I gotta do one of these. My epidural was moderately successful to the point where I felt like I was good enough to get on the bike today. I've been working on D&D stuff. That's coming out next week. I felt good enough today. I was like, I'm gonna get on the bike. I gotta run an errand in Hollywood. And when I got to Hollywood, I felt good enough. I was like, screw it. Let's do a ride through Legends. We're going to Pinks. So here we are. World famous Pinks. World famous Pinks. I mean, this place has been around since the 40s. Ooh, bike's about to tip over. Woo-hoo. Classic Hollywood spot. We had to hit Pinks. Here we go. I got the Dodger stretch dog is what they call it. It's chili, bacon, cheese dog. Usually comes with onions. I got onions on the side as an onion ring rather than having them on the hot dog. Let's just dig in. There's no ceremony here. Look at this. We just got cheese falling. We know it's a good already. Oh my God, look at that. Okay. I just touched the bun. I just touched the bun. And I'm already just covered in oil. So we gotta be really careful. I'm moving in on this one. We don't want oil to drop it on the bike. Let's do it. Bacon, cheese, mustard, chili. Here we go. Very tasty dog. I barely got any chili. Oh, I wish I had more. All right, here we go. Now this is gonna actually have some bite to it. Here we go. Oh my God, I don't even know how to do this. First off, they cooked the bacon perfect. That's pretty rad. Chili is very different from Tommy's chili. It's not as spicy. Tommy's chili isn't spicy to the point where you're gonna eat it and you're like, oh, my mouth is hot. Oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? Nothing like that. It's less spicy. It's just flavorful. And I like that. That's like kind of perfect for the hot dog because you don't want the actual like chili spices to overwhelm the flavor of the hot dog, right? The dog is super crispy. Like it's got that snap when you bite it, which means it's cooked perfectly. Okay, so what I noticed is that the chili's got more meat in it than Tommy's. It's got really fine ground beef, a lot of it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just chock full of the beef. Really good chili though. Really good quality hot dog. Take a little pinch of cheese. It really could have benefited from like a really sharp cheese. Yeah, the cheese is a little too mild. I don't really taste it on. I hardly taste it when I eat a little pinch of it. Yeah, you should use like a sharper cheese, I think. Uh-oh, we lost a little shred of cheese. We don't need to do a 21 gun salute for our little slice of cheese. So one thing I will say, from time that I got off the bike, got in line, and got the food was over an hour. And the reason why I know that was the GoPro battery was full and it emptied while I was waiting. It was drained by the time I got the food. So, all right, look at this last giant little chunk of bacon. It's a really good hot dog. That is a really good chili dog. The chili matches perfectly to the flavor of the dog. Look at this. Let's do this last one bite. Ready? I like sticking big wieners in my mouth. That was a good wiener. Oh, these onion rings, look at these. Look at this. Look how crispy they are. Oh. I don't need to dip them in anything. Just like this. I guess the one thing I can say about it, breading is very good quality. It's just a little too much, right? The little onion. Breading to onion ratio is about 80-20. So honestly, the only thing I taste is the breading. There's almost no onion flavor in it. That's okay. I don't need to finish these onion rings. I'm fulfilled with the chili dog. Excellent chili. Cheese could have been a little bit more sharp. Excellent quality dog. Bone was really good too. It was worth the wait. It was definitely worth the 1 hour wait. I know that sounds crazy, waiting an hour for a chili dog. I think it's worth it if that chili dog was bomb, and that chili dog was bomb. I would absolutely come back here again. Drive an hour just for this chili dog. So I definitely rate Pink's chili dog a 10 out of 10. 100%. It was bomb. I could eat 10 of those. It was, thank you. All in all, Pink's 10 out of 10. Definitely worth the drive out here. Definitely worth coming to Hollywood and seeing the sights. If you've never been, I definitely recommend coming to Pink's. From Lucille Ball to Lady Gaga, Pink's has seen generations of fame come and go, but the chili never changed. It's not just a hot dog stand, it's a slice of Hollywood history that never needed an agent or a spotlight. In a city obsessed with reinvention, Pink's has never needed to change. Its secret isn't just in the chili, it's in the legacy. A little family cart that fed dreamers became a place where legends still gather. Actors, locals, tourists, all waiting side by side for the same $8 chili dog. It's funny, the most down-to-earth place in Hollywood might just be the one that's been standing the tallest all along. Pink's Hotdogs, for those who love sticking giant wieners in their mouths. But gear up, ride safe, but never ride hungry. Thanks for watching, everybody. Special thanks to all my channel members. Demolition Crew, Ruka. Wrecking Crew, you all rock.